Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie. If you already know who I am, welcome back. And you probably know I've been gone for a long time. I have no excuse. My only excuse is I like playing loud music when I do my makeup, and YouTube will copyright me if I put the sound on. So I am here today to why am I talking so Morphe and Jeffree started a collab, and they came out with a palette, which I have here, and then a set of brushes, and they also sell it separately so you could pick them out if you want. And he also came out with the setting spray and some sponges. I only bought the brushes and the palette because I tested out the setting spray in the store and I didn't really like it. The smell smelled real strong. It kind of smelled like old fruit, like old strawberries. I don't know, I just didn't like the smell, and usually I really don't mind the smells of setting sprays. Hold on, I need to burp. I'm not very picky on the scents. For example, on the Too Faced Peach Mist, this one, I don't really mind the smell. It actually smells really good. Oh, that smells so good. I only bought 3 brushes and then the palette. I didn't feel like I needed to buy the full set from the brushes because I already have a lot of brushes, so I didn't really need all of them. So yeah, they're the 3 brushes that I bought. I feel like I would actually use these. I kind of wish I bought that liner brush because I feel like I would have used that one too. Let's get into the palette because I am very excited. It feels pretty hefty. Like, why am I keep saying hefty? Hefty, hefty, hefty. I don't know, it feels pretty heavy. I didn't expect that. Their collabs that they had, the palettes usually feel a little bit flimsy, just saying. Oh, it has mirror, I just realized. Palette, and it feels like pretty strong. I feel like if it falls, it won't break. Oh my god, that is a lot of pink. Holy guacamole. So I just realized that this palette has the names on it, so you don't have to worry about losing this plastic anymore. So thank you Morphe and Jeffree for that. So a little bit inspired by lipstick's NYX look she did on Jeffree's Star for the little campaign ad, which is this one right here. Let me try to zoom in for you guys. Oh, that is not zooming in. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I'll just put the picture right here so you guys could see it. Let me screenshot it so I don't forget. So yeah, I want to recreate this look, but like using my own little pizzazz, you know? It's like, it kind of reminds me of Cosmo and Wanda, which is why I love the little look she did on him. So to prime my eyes, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and this one's the original one. I'm going to start by doing one eye, and then the other eye I'm going to do later because I don't want this to dry up and I want it to be a little bit tacky for the shadows. Now I'm just going to blend it a bit so our eyeshadow does not look blotchy. I'm going to take the JS12 brush and I just welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I love that. Okay. So I'm going to take back with a light pink. It's a baby pink. I'm going to put it above my crease in the inner corner. Right below my eyebrow. Oh, this is a nice pink, girl. This is a pigmented pink. Holy walk. That's cute. So now I'm going to take Wake and Bake, which is the lighter green from the palette, which is right here. So I'm going to take that above my actual crease because I want this to look crazy. Cosmo and Wanda, we are on our way. So now I'm going to take Self Made, brighter pink, and just going right below my actual crease. I'm going to take Nate, which is the brighter green, with the other brush I used for the other green. And I'm going to put this right next to the hot pink. Okay, so far they're blending very nicely together. Okay, honestly, I can't wait to use this color for St. Patrick's Day because that looks cute as fuck. And I think I'm gonna do like almost like a V-shape halo, or I'm not sure. I kind of want to change it and spice it up a bit from hers. Cosmo Wanda, on your way. Does Timmy Turner wear pink too? Yeah, he wears that pink hat. Fairy godparents! These shadows are so easy to work with. Even though I know there's like fallout in here, but we could clean that up. And we'll actually see if it stains your eye. I'm pretty sure it does because pinks usually stain me. I'm gonna add millions right here. I think that will look very cool. One good swipe and that's how much you get. It's pretty good. Oh girl, that is gorgeous. Look at that glitter. Ooh, I love glitter. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna be using the NYX glitter primer. Placing the glitter onto the center of my eyelid and working my way up to the top of the shadow and slowly expanding the glitter too, because if you put too much it's going to be hard to take away that glitter and we don't want to do that. So now that I have a big gold tree on my eye, I'm going to add some shimmer in the inner corner and I think on my brow bone. Yes, on my brow bone too. I'm going to take Welcome and put this on my brow bone. Again, I'm putting it into my inner corner. I'm going to be putting on some Dodo lashes. They're 105, I think. I kind of forgot which one they are because I've been reusing them. Yeah, so I'm gonna put them off camera because do you guys even like seeing that? So these are me fluffy lashes, my feather fluff lashes. Yeah, oh my god, I'm really digging this. Okay, on camera the shadow looks way lighter than it is because in person this is a bright ass pink. I'm gonna move on to my face, but I think I'm gonna do that off camera too because one, I'm running out of storage on my camera, and two, my battery's gonna die, and three, I always do my face on camera and I have the same routine. Okay, I'm only gonna do my foundation off camera, okay guys? So I'll be right back with my face covered. So, BRB. Can't stop looking at my eyes, guys. Alright guys, so my face is clear. No more bags that you can see. So we're gonna move on to the cheeks. I'm gonna be using the Adeline Morin collab with Tarte. And I absolutely love this palette. The highlight and the blush is so good. The blush is so pigmented, so you have to put a little bit on. Wait, I forgot to put bronzer on. So I'm going to use the butter bronzer like always. I can't show you because if I tilt it or something, it's gonna fall. So I'm just gonna get some of this. Get some of that. Get some of this. And a little bit of the blush goes a long way, which is called I Feel Beautiful, and it makes me feel beautiful. Just like with a few swipes and you already have that pigment. But you gotta smile crazy when you put blush, you know, like ee! I feel like I should do like a clown look right now, because this is giving me some Harley Quinn vibe, like her evil sister came out to play, like, where's my sister at? I'm gonna take Promise Ring, and this highlight is so blinding, girl. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the JS13 brush again. I already cleaned it, and I'm gonna take some of the highlight and highlight my nose. Like just a little bit more because I have no self-control. So I'm gonna put some up here. I really wanted to try one of the shimmers as highlight, but I forgot, so I'll just do it next time I film. It is so good. The glitter is actually really good so far. They ain't creasing. I kind of wanted to compare it with one of the Wet n Wild glitter, so let me go grab that real quick. So I grabbed the glitter from Wet n Wild, and it's this gold one, and the glitter from here reminded me of this, so I just want to compare them and see how they are. But I do remember this one was a bit greasy and I stopped using it because it was not nice. And the pigment's not the same as the Jeffree Star one. I could already tell it's not going to be the same. So I'm swatching it. Oh girl, no. So this one's Jeffree and then this one's the Wet n Wild. So girl, it's the same kind of color, but I feel like the Jeffree Star one gives off more glitter payoff. But I do still use it like to put it in the inner corner and stuff like that. Yeah, so seeing the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. This one's called Fussy. That smells so good. I'm using the Morphe setting spray, even though I'm gonna take this off right after I take bomb pictures. I'm gonna take back with this flat brush. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you go check out my first Instagram and then my beauty Instagram, because I don't know if I'm gonna add something else, so go check my beauty Instagram to see if I added anything else to this look. Okay, I gotta go before I run out of storage again. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.